In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive shortcut on your Windows 10 desktop. This can be incredibly useful for quick and easy access to all your files without going through a browser each time. Let's dive right in so you can simplify your workflow and keep your important files just a double click away. The first thing we need to do is open any web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever you prefer. Once you have the browser open, you'll want to head to the search bar and type in Google Drive. Now, you're usually going to see Google Drive as one of the top search results, often the first link. Alternatively, you can directly type in the URL drive.google.com/drive/quota into the address bar. This will take you right to Google Drive's login page if you aren't already logged in. Now, if you're not signed in yet, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Just input your email and password, and you'll be within the Drive interface in no time. It's always a good idea to ensure your browser remembers the account information, especially if you use Drive frequently. That way, logging in becomes a seamless process in the future. Once you're inside the Google Drive page, take a moment to look at the address bar at the top of your browser. There, you'll see the Google Drive URL. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to click and hold on that URL, or sometimes it's a small icon right beside it labeled with the Google Drive logo, and simply drag that icon or URL directly onto your desktop. As you drag it away from the browser and hover over your desktop, you'll see a tiny shortcut arrow appear beneath your cursor. When you see it, you can go ahead and release the mouse button to drop the icon onto your desktop. It's almost like cutting out the middleman. You now have Google Drive ready to open just with a simple double click. And there you have it. A new shortcut has been created right on your desktop. This shortcut is linked directly to Google Drive's site, allowing you to access it instantly without needing to open your web browser first. The plus side? It keeps your workflow smooth and efficient right from startup. Should you ever want to rename your shortcut to something specific, just right-click on it and choose Rename. Maybe something like My Google Drive or Cloud Files for a personal touch. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Having quick access to Google Drive right on your desktop is a small change that can have a big impact on productivity. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out more of our videos for more tips and tricks like this one. Until next time, take care.